In just 3 to 5 clicks, watch how you can place a cube in mixed reality. The fastest way to build and run your app on MetaQuest 3. Starting from version 5.6, MetaQuest Developer Hub includes a powerful XR project creation tool. First, make sure you've installed the latest version of MetaQuest Developer Hub on your machine from the official Developer Hub app. On the left side, you'll find the XR Projects tab. Click on it. Top right, click the Create Project button. A pop-up window will appear where you can enter your project name, select the Unity version, choose the location path to save your project, and select the XR plugins and SDKs you want. Once everything is set, click the Create button. Your project will start creating, and you'll see the progress on the screen.
A few moments later.
Once the creation process is complete, the project will automatically open in the Unity editor with all the required packages and settings already set up for you. In the build profile, you'll also notice that the Android platform is already set, so you can start building for your Quest right away. In the player settings, you'll notice that XR plugin management is already enabled with the necessary XR providers selected for you. Project validation is also pre-configured, meaning Unity has already checked for any missing settings required for VR development. This way, your player settings are ready right out of the box, no extra setup needed, and you can immediately start working on your XR project. You can either create a new scene or save the untitled scene that opens by default. This will help you keep your work organized from the very start. Next, click on Meta XR Tools, where you'll find a variety of ready-made building blocks for your project. From the list, add the pass-through building block to enable mixed reality features in your scene. Now we're going to add a 3D cube in front of the camera. You can use any 3D object you like, but for this example, we'll keep it simple with a basic cube. Adjust its position so it's at a comfortable viewing distance and clearly visible when you run the project. Now, remove the main camera from the scene, as the Meta XR setup already includes its own camera for VR and pass-through features. Then try running the project in the Unity editor to see it in action. Now go to the build profile and open the scenes list. Add your current open scene to the list, then switch back to the Android platform and try building the project. You can choose a specific folder to save the build and give it a name. Sometimes Unity may prompt you to update the Android SDK before the build starts. Open MetaQuest Developer Hub, connect your headset, and drag in the APK to install. Open the Mixed Reality app on your Quest 3, and you'll see the cube placed directly in front of you in your real-world view.